Welcome back, everybody. So I've been perusing Facebook and, just trying to find junk that nobody wants and people want to get rid of. So I found some stuff. Welcome this freaking thing. So this is a TroyBuilt TB30R mower. Little 30-inch cut. And this thing doesn't do anything. It's torn apart. And I know we're missing some parts. It's like, that's got a bolt to something. So I'm going to have to figure something out there. Which, I don't know what that's going to be yet. But I don't hate that seat, it's all mesh. But again, I gotta figure out how to mount it. But without it being mounted, looks like we have this. And if you're unfamiliar with the safety features of a TroyBuilt lawnmower, this guy sits in here, right? Somebody took it out already, but it sits in here, and it's your anti-tamper device, right? When you pull those sensors out, got to pull this out, otherwise it grounds it out and acts like the sensor is faulty and it won't let it start or do anything. And as you can see, we have a sensor here that's not being pushed down because there's no seat. So we're gonna have to get to that guy. What's it take to get to him? That doesn't look easy. Let's see if we can get this plastic off. So the seat bracket is what pushes that down and holds this plastic down. But you have to be careful because your oil check is right here, which we are super low on. So let's go grab some oil before we do anything. Alright, so I need to figure out how to mount a seat and still be able to check the oil and fill the fuel. The brackets are like $100 to put a seat on. That's just silly. I totally lied. We have it all. I just need to find bolts. See? The mounting bracket. It bolts up here. And then this hits that. Well, let's go. I don't know where this goes though. So we just won't worry about that little guy right now. And I found bolts. I'm gonna go grab some tools. So we do have 4 flat tires on this thing. I have no idea why it was torn apart to begin with. So I truly don't know. That's awesome. you sit on it, it does not look comfortable. Oh, that's not bad. Okay. So I guess we can figure out this other crap going on down here. Like I said, I don't know why any of this is torn apart. So we're just kind of winging it to see why things are torn apart. And I do not have enough bolts for everything. Even that's pulled off. Okay, I found 2 bolts for that back there. I'd say that filter's probably bad. So we'll just throw this guy on there. And all we're doing is reassembling to see if we can make sense of everything and see if it's going to run. So I think at this point, since that one piece is bypassed already, we can see if it's going to start. I'm going to go grab a jump pack because she did. Alright, let's air up the tires quick and we'll grab back. Alright, so I got all but one tire to air up. That one's being dumb, so we're just going to throw this bad boy on it and see what happens. The throttle seems to function. Fire in the hole. No. Throttle, no worky guys. What kind of crap is going on? Let me show you what's going on. Stand by. My Venmo mower is in the way. Okay. That guy is supposed to attach to this guy. So I'm going to go ahead and get that attached quick and I'll be right back. Alright, I got that hooked up. Although I can't believe it starts. Not bad for a free mower.
you get it working?
Well, kinda. Okay. Let's try that again. That rod is all sorts of jacked up. I'm gonna adjust it. Okay, let's try this. That's a disaster going on down there. World's ugliest little mower. Steering working okay. No, but it died. Battery died, so yeah, stand by. I guess I'll charge that thing and try it again. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing running again. All right, we got that thing put back on. It died the other day when I tried to move this back. The lawnmower died, so yeah, new day, new charger. I don't know why it don't start. It ain't got no gas in it. So I gotta go grab gas. All right, we got some gas in it. Let's see if she starts. Ah, bollocks. Ha. Definitely have a fuel delivery issue going on. It does not like steep angles. I think what we're battling is I got a flat tire and this angle is just killing me. And then my jumper cables popped off. So we're dealing with a couple things. So my tire's too flat and we're dealing with the battery being bad. So I'm gonna go throw a new battery in this thing, and I think we'll be good to go. So like I said, I'll put a new battery in it. Sorry, my daughter's in the pool. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw a new battery in this, and then we'll take it to, well, and get air in that tire. And then we're gonna take it to my two older kids, my two older boys. They have a house with a bigger backyard, and I'll make sure this thing is good for them. Get that tire aired up, get a new battery, and they should be good to go. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share us, and remember, check out that merch store. Yeah, and anything I use in the videos, I'll throw a link down in the description. So yeah, like, subscribe, share us. I appreciate all of your guys' help and support, and stay tuned for more of this bad boy. From the bottom of my heart, thanks everyone. Deuces.